Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss what is the factorial of the number. So formula for the factorial of the number is n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, then n minus 3, dash 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 up to the n, up to the 1 actually. So for what is the factorial of the 0? So it is a 1. It is by definition actually. So for factorial of the 1 is 1. Then for 2 is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. For 3 is equal to 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6. And 4. So let's understand the deep down concept here. So like for 4 we have written here like 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So how does that get calculated? So if we consider, if we see in this picture, so it's like a 4. 4 is nothing but n. And then n minus 1 is nothing but the 4 minus 1. Then n minus 2 is nothing but the 4 minus 2. And n minus 3 is nothing but the 4 minus 3. So it will go up to the 1. So like what will be the answer of 4 minus 3? It's 1. So it has stopped there. And the calculation of 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 24 though. So the factorial of the 4 is nothing but the 24. This is how we can calculate the factorial. So let's now understand how we can calculate this or how we can write a logic for this in a Python program I have written here. So I will explain it to you line by line. So this is the first line I have written here. I am taking the input from the user and I am converting this input to the integer format. And then I am taking just one extra temporary variable for my logic, and one of the factorial variable I have taken to store the result into it. So first condition here I have used if loop. So here I have written like num is less than 0. Like so we cannot calculate the factorial of the negative number, so that's why we have to write this logic. Num is less than 0. And for the num is equal to 1, then we have to directly print the factorial of the 1 is 1. Here you can see that we have used another else if concept in a Python. So if you wanted to use else plus if, then we can use directly elif. Elif is the keyword. So another thing I have done here, like in else loop, I have like used the while loop. So until I have used the while loop. So how does the while loop works? Like if num is greater than 0, then it will go into the loop. Otherwise, it will exit from the loop. So until the number is greater than 0, we are going to calculate the factorial. And we are what we are doing here, like we are decreasing number by 1 and we are multiplying this number into factorial and we are storing that result into the factorial variable. And in the last, after the while loop execution, we are printing the factorial of the number is whatever the result will be. So let's run this program and see what is the result. So if I run this program and if I put the 3, so here it is giving me the answer is 3. Factorial of the 3 is 6. If I insert a 0, so see, factorial of the 0 is 1. And if I insert 1, factorial of the 1 is 1. And if I insert like minus 5, then we cannot calculate the factorial of the negative number. It is given the answer. So this is how we can calculate the factorial of the number in Python. If you have any questions or doubt, you can pass a comment on my video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.